In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 on PC. By the end, you'll know how to download the platform, open it, create a chart, and add a few essential tools so you can start analyzing the markets confidently. First, open your web browser and search for MetaTrader 5. You should see the official site near the top of the results. Make sure you're on the official MetaTrader 5 website before you download anything. Using the authentic site helps you avoid outdated or modified installers and ensures you get the correct version for your PC. Once you're on the site, look for the download option for Windows and click it. After the installer finishes downloading, run it and follow the on-screen prompts. The default installation settings work well for most people, so feel free to accept them if you're unsure. The setup is quick. Once it completes, you'll be ready to open the application right away. When the installation is done, open the Start menu, click in the search bar, and type MetaTrader. You'll see the application appear in the results. Click it to launch MetaTrader 5. The platform will start with a clean workspace, and in a moment, you'll see your main window. On the left side of the platform, you'll notice a panel where you can manage charts and tools. To get your first chart on screen, click Create New Chart. This is where you select the market you want to view. You'll typically see a list of symbols for currencies, indices, commodities, or stocks, depending on what your broker or data source supports. Pick the instrument you want to analyze so the platform knows which price data to display. Once you've found the symbol you want, simply click on it. MetaTrader will open a new chart window for that instrument in the main area. If you don't see it right away, check behind other windows in the workspace. It might have opened in the background. When the chart appears, you can change its size to fit your screen. Drag the edges to resize the window or click the maximize icon to make it fill the platform. If the candles look too compressed or too spread out, you can zoom in or out using the toolbar controls so you get a comfortable view. Adjusting the size and zoom makes it easier to read price action and spot patterns. If you need to add more charts or move things around, you can do that too. Open additional charts the same way, and then arrange the chart windows so you can compare instruments side by side. Organizing your workspace early makes analysis faster and helps you stay focused on what matters. Next, let's add an indicator. On the left panel, find indicators. This is your library of built-in technical studies. Click it to reveal the categories. Indicators are grouped so you can quickly find what you need without hunting through long lists. For this example, we'll work with a trend indicator. Open the trend category. You'll see several popular tools for following market direction. From here, choose Moving Average. When you click Moving Average, a settings window will appear. This is where you select the period, method, and color. A shorter period responds more quickly to price changes, while a longer period smooths out noise and focuses on the broader trend. Pick settings that fit your style and apply them to the chart. You'll see the moving average overlay directly on price, giving you a clear view of momentum. You can also add simple drawing tools to mark key levels and structure. A trend line helps you visualize the direction of the market by connecting swing highs or swing lows, and a horizontal line is perfect for marking support and resistance zones. These tools are handy for planning entries, exits, and stop placements, and they keep your analysis consistent across multiple charts. That's it. You've learned how to download and install MetaTrader 5, open it from your PC, create a new chart, choose an instrument, adjust the chart's size and view, add a moving average indicator, and place basic lines to map out trends and levels. Practice these basics a few times until they feel natural, and you'll be ready to explore more features with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.